Hey folks, this is Daniel again, Clean Exterior in Worcester, Massachusetts. Today we're going to be cleaning this house. It's vinyl siding, fairly dirty underneath the siding here, and a lot of pores obviously around the house. It's very windy today, so I'm going to do my best to save time. So as usual, I just soak the gutters, the downspouts, and the windows with water, and the plants, obviously anything that is plant or grass, and apply the soap 2 sides at a time, and start rinsing on one. Apply soap on another side, then rinse the other side, and I keep going until I finish. With the hose, 150 foot of pressure washing hose, and I'm soaking half of the house, and I'm gonna leave the garage for later. I'm gonna go all the way around the house. I'm already soaping here. The house isn't that bad, and I can see the solution already starting to work. It's killing that pores on the siding, so very good. But it is a little bit windy, and cold is around 50 degrees, so I had to be careful with the siding drying up because of the wind. I don't want that, so. Okay, let me soak this side and then start rinsing. Okay, the back side is rinsed. Now I just wet this side here, just so it doesn't dry, and I'm gonna soak the front. The wind is brutal. I'm gonna wet everything here, the plants, and then apply the soap. It's working alright for this house. I'm using the 2.1 injector, and at 50 degrees it's alright. It's doing its job. Okay, you see the gutters here, they're filthy. I'm gonna show you the after pictures over here. Okay, all done on this side of the house. It's becoming more windy now. It's a pain to clean with the wind, but this side is done. This is soaked. gutters are coming on, getting cleaned really nicely. I'm gonna do another soap on the gutters and then start rinsing. But I'm gonna soap the garage first, and that other side there too. Okay, I am all done in this house. Everything came out nice and clean, and this is it for today. Everything's slowing down, and soon we're gonna switch to a gutter cleaning, and that's nothing special. So okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.